Welcome to Cooking in a Minute. Today, we're making a delightful holiday treat: French toast sandwiches. This family tradition, shared by Deborah Fagan from Lancaster, Pennsylvania, is perfect for Christmas morning. Let's start with the ingredients: 12 slices of Canadian bacon, 6 slices of Monterey Jack cheese, and 12 slices of French bread, each half an inch thick. First, layer 2 slices of Canadian bacon and 1 slice of cheese between 2 slices of bread. Next, dip these sandwiches in 3/4 cup of eggnog, placed in a shallow dish. Now, heat 3 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet or griddle. Toast the sandwiches until they're lightly browned on both sides, adding more butter as needed. Finally, serve these golden brown delights with a dollop of strawberry preserves. This recipe yields 6 servings and is a tasty tradition for any family gathering. Enjoy your French toast sandwiches, and happy holidays from Cooking in a Minute.